welcome back to the Recipe Rookie. My name is Josh, and this is the show where I learn how to cook one dish at a time. I've got a little task for all of you at home. If you could, in the comments below, I have an idea. Now, I've become pretty decent now, I must say. I know it's only been 16 episodes, but I am pretty decent in the kitchen. And I was thinking, am I just gonna keep making things and be this recipe rookie? And then it hit me. I could be a rookie at many things in life. So I could learn how to change a circuit, power wash my house, hang a TV on the wall. I could be a rookie at all these tasks to bring you all along to enjoy the journey with me. If you think that's a good idea or have any suggestions of things I should do, please comment down below and let me know what you think of that idea, or if you have any ideas of your own. Let's get back to why we're here today, and that is because today's dish is shrimp and grits. I have never ever made anything with shrimp. I enjoy shrimp a lot. I went to South Carolina once where I went to a restaurant that is considered to have the best shrimp and grits in the world, or maybe in the United States. Regardless, I ate it and I was blown away. They were the greatest shrimp and grits I've ever had. Here they are in a picture. This southern favorite is creamy, cheesy, buttery, and packed with flavor. Let's cook. So what are the ingredients for today's meal? 1 cup of quick grits. Kiss my grits.
Tell her she can kiss my grits.
4 cups of chicken broth. 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. 1/4 cup of heavy cream. 1 pound of deveined and peeled shrimp. They only had deveined and not peeled. You get to see me peel some. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 lemon. Those are the ingredients for today's show. Let's peel those shrimp. Okay, here we are at the counter. It's very easy to do, is what I've been told by the recipe right here. It says just pinch off the tails and peel the rest away. Mine are also already deveined, as you can see. Look at that, deveined. So it's just basically get the tails off. I'm gonna do that, then throw them in the bowl here. So, okay. Well, they still have little hands. I guess I get all this off, right? Yeah. Oh no, that that's not where that goes. I'm supposed to put the good shrimp in there. Oh God. I already messed up. All right, now get off my hands. I think we're good. I think we got one good one. Look at that. Look at that. All right. There's the first one. Now I've done this when they've already been cooked before. I know for sure. Oh, that one came right off. Does that still have skin? Slippery little fellas, aren't you? No, I think that's good. Okay, 2. Oh, I lost some of that. Oh, no, wait. Stop putting the trash in there, Josh. What's wrong with me? I can't seem to remember to keep the shells on this board. Okay, there we go. These are actually nice looking shrimp, okay? I successfully did not put the shell in there. I'm getting better at it. And I remember to put on gloves. Come on. Sometimes I think I see skin, but it's not. All right, got this. When I asked the guy if he already peeled them, he looked at me like I was crazy. And he was like, we have deveined. And I was like, okay, that's close enough. So I'm gonna keep going with these and I'll show you the finished product. There's no reason to watch me do all these, right? If anything funny happens, I'll keep this recording. All right, look at that. There's my little pile. And this is what we're dealing with. All that yummy, yummy fish. Yummy, yummy fish. Yummy, yummy fish. Next, we're going to head over to the stove and cook them grits. Okay, we're back at the stove and it is time to cook them grits. So Mr. Quaker, who I've enjoyed his cream of wheat many, many times, he makes grits. I never knew that. Now, you need 4 cups of chicken broth. We're going to put it here in our saucepan. Easy peasy. Look at that. Pour that all in. Oh, wait. I didn't turn it on. Okay, pour that in. Chicken broth. I went with Swanson's chicken broth. There were a lot of different ones. I saw organic ones at the store. I didn't really understand that. Then there was chicken stock and chicken broth, and I had to make sure I got the broth one. No, is that what I said? Yeah. Because I was second guessing myself. Was I supposed to get the stock? But no, it was the broth. And now what's nice is I needed 4 cups and I didn't even know how much to get, and this is 4 cups. So I got lucky. Hey Google, how have you been?
I couldn't be better. What can I do for you?
Where was shrimp and grits invented?
Charleston, South Carolina. On the website McRae'sTavern.com, they say, the true origin of shrimp and grits is believed to be Charleston, South Carolina, where the recipe first appeared in 1950 as a breakfast recipe in the Charleston Receipts cookbook.
That's where I had the shrimp. So I had shrimp and grits where they're invented. So I know all about them then. Oh, we got some boiling. So let's do a stirring. All right, it looks like we have boiling. So we will take our grits. That looks just like cream of wheat. All right, we're going to slowly stir these in. Ow, that's really hot. Slowly. Oh, well. Oh, well. I'm not really good at this part. Oh. Okay, slowly. Slower. That was a little fast. Oh, it's getting hot. Because it's so hot, it makes me want to do it faster. Okay. Now let's bring this down to like a 3. Hey Google, set a timer for 6 minutes.
But I found these results on search.
Google, I'm not talking to you. Just show me the timer. Hey Google, show me the timer. Thank you.
Just doing my job.
Are you? You're always trying to show me shirts or blah, blah, blah. You're making me mad. Cheddar cheese, cream, and butter. We'll put that over here. Oh, stir time. Ooh, they're getting harder. So after we make the grits, we get to do the shrimp, and then we plate, and then we're ready to go. How about that? We got about, I don't know how much time we have because my friend here, Google, won't show me the timer. Hey, Google, show me the timer.
There's 3 minutes and 51 seconds left.
Can you keep that screen on?
Or stop the podcast.
How about just show me the timer? Constantly, I look over there, I want to see a timer. No, it has some facts about the Kentucky Derby. I don't want to know about the Kentucky Derby. I think this is going to be fantastic. I can already tell. Oh yeah, they're getting thicker and creamier. Once I throw in that other stuff, next level, I'm telling you. Oh yeah, you look at that. Oh, we're eating good tonight. Hey Google, stop timer. All right, there's the heavy cream. Cheddar.
But I found these results.
Hey Google, stop. I'm trying to do a show. All right, let's throw all that in. Get some salt and pepper in there. Some pepper. Make sure that butter gets all done. Here we go. Take a look at that. I think the grits are done. It's time to move on to the shrimp. Okay, we're back and it's time for the shrimp. Now, this is a tablespoon of butter. I had 2 tablespoons of butter. One was supposed to go in the grits and one here. I put both of them in the grits, so it's a little buttery. But hey, we'll go with it. Butter's in the saucepan. I will add the shrimp. This is the hard part here. This is what you all came to see. Here we go. Shrimp is going in. Okay. Shrimp is in. Oh, wow. Hey, Google. Set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes.
Let's make sure they're all spread out here. Doesn't feel like it's hot enough. 1 minute to go. See, now I see some bubbling action. Are these on the side? Can I touch this? If I touch it, I'm going to burn my hand. But there's a little bit of smoke now. I'm going to start turning these now. That one. Oh, yeah. Hey, Google, stop timer.
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
You don't know anything, and I hate that. I want to turn that off. Is that a feature I can turn off of you not talking to me? I'm not very quick at this. Did I turn that one yet? No. Okay. Hey, Google, set a timer for 3 minutes. Now we're going to put in the smoked paprika.
Okay, which list do you want to add to?
Hey, Google, stop. Good, I was afraid he was going to stop that timer. This pepper. And salt. You know, like some of these, I don't know. Oh, well. Let's put the garlic in. All right, I'm going to flip these. And then we're going to, like, cook it some. This is definitely, I'm doing this. Can you overcook shrimp? All right, it looks like these shrimps are ready to plate. I'm gonna put these on a plate and head over to the table and let's taste them. Okay, I've got it plated up. Look at that. I even added some bacon bits that I created some bacon this morning for breakfast, so I added those on there. Look at that. Let's see if it's as good as it looks. Let's get a nice little bit. Okay, shrimp and grits. Actually, I'm gonna put some hot sauce on this. Thank you very much. Crystal hot sauce here. I think that'll help out. All right, let's try it with some Crystal hot sauce now. Much better. Yeah, I needed that. I did it. And I want to thank everyone who's watched the video today. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And let me know what I said earlier about becoming a rookie in other fields of life. Let me know down below. Always hit that like on this video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a video from me. Have a great night and let's cook. To have... So you get... Oh, wow, that is strong. Pinch off the tea... Uh-oh. Oh, no. I put the whole butter in there. I'm not talking to you. Just show me the timer. Show me the timer. My friend here, Google, won't show me the timer. Show me the timer. Keep that screen on.
Stop the podcast.
How about just show me the timer? Constantly, I look over there. I want to see a timer. No, it has some facts about the Kentucky Derby.
Just doing my job.
Are you? You're always trying to show me shirts or blah, blah, blah. You're making me mad. Stop, I'm trying to do a show.
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
You don't know anything, and I hate that. I want to turn that off. Is that a feature I can turn off of you not talking to me?